Are you feeling overwhelmed by the rising costs of car insurance in London? With premiums skyrocketing by 21% in just 1 year, finding affordable yet reliable coverage has become more challenging than ever. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 car insurance providers in London for 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which insurer offers the best bang for your buck and how you can make an informed decision to protect your vehicle without draining your wallet. So, let's dive in. Let's start with Insure the Box, a name that's becoming increasingly popular among London drivers, especially younger and tech-savvy ones. What makes Insure the Box stand out is its innovative black box telematics policy. Now, you might be wondering, what's telematics? Essentially, it's a small device installed in your car that monitors your driving behavior. It tracks everything from your speed to how smoothly you brake, and even the times of day you're on the road. For careful drivers, this can be a game changer. With Insure the Box, good driving habits can actually lead to lower premiums in the future. For an annual premium of £882.31, you'll not only get basic coverage like windscreen cover and personal accident insurance, but also the added benefit of a courtesy car. This can be a lifesaver if your car's out of action. However, there's a catch. If you're not comfortable with your driving being monitored, this might not be the policy for you. The telematics data could potentially work against you if you have a bad habit of speeding or harsh braking. But for those who drive safely and want to be rewarded for it, Insure the Box could be a fantastic option. Next up is Bell, a part of the Admiral Insurance Group. Bell is another insurer that leverages telematics, but they take a slightly different approach. Instead of a black box, they offer a plug-and-drive device that you can easily fit into your car yourself. This device then transmits data about your driving back to the insurer. Now, Bell's policy comes with windscreen cover and a courtesy car as standard, which is a nice perk for an annual premium just over £1,006. Another bonus is that you can add breakdown cover for just £39.95, giving you extra peace of mind without a huge additional cost. The beauty of Bell's policy is that it's designed to tailor your future premiums based on how safely you drive. So, if you're a cautious driver, you could see your premiums drop when it's time to renew. However, if you're not a fan of being tracked, or if you tend to drive in a way that could be deemed risky, then Bell's telematics system might not work in your favor. But if you're willing to play by the rules, Bell offers a robust and flexible option for London drivers. Now, let's talk about Hastings Direct UDrive, which is known for being one of the more affordable options on the market. This policy is ideal for those who want comprehensive coverage without a hefty price tag. At just £824 annually, UDrive's app-based telematics policy includes windscreen cover, personal accident cover, and a courtesy car. What's interesting about UDrive is that it uses a key fob-sized device that sits in your car and pairs with your smartphone to monitor your driving habits. The data is then sent back to Hastings Direct, who uses it to tailor your future premiums. It's a smart solution for those who are already glued to their phones and don't mind a bit of digital interaction with their insurance provider. However, a word of caution, the excess on this policy is somewhat higher than others, which means you'll need to be prepared to pay a bit more out of pocket if you need to make a claim. But if you're confident in your driving skills and looking for an insurer that rewards you for good behavior, Hastings Direct UDrive might be the perfect fit. Moving on to another option from the same insurer, Hastings Direct offers a traditional car insurance policy without the telematics element. This is actually the cheapest premium we found based on our stated driver profile. For an upfront payment of £771.52, you get windscreen cover, a courtesy car, and personal accident insurance. But what if you prefer to pay in installments? Hastings Direct makes that easy too. You can spread the cost evenly across the year with a first payment of £73.24, followed by 11 payments of £71.37. Paying monthly brings the total annual premium to £858.31, which is still competitive given the level of coverage you're getting. What really sets Hastings Direct apart is its low compulsory excess. At just £95, it's one of the lowest we've seen, which means you'll pay less out of pocket in the event of a claim. Plus, if you want to add breakdown cover, it's only an additional £34.99, making this a well-rounded and budget-friendly option for London drivers. Last but certainly not least, we have Marshmallow Original Car Insurance. This is another great option for drivers looking to balance cost with comprehensive coverage. For an upfront premium of £949.87, you get windscreen cover, personal accident cover, and a courtesy car. Plus, if you prefer monthly payments, you can spread the cost across the year, although this will bring the total premium to just over £1,045. One thing to note about Marshmallow is the combined excess, which stands at £450, £200 of which is compulsory and £250 is voluntary. While this is a bit higher than some of the other policies we've discussed, the overall coverage is solid, making it a good choice for those who want reliable insurance without any frills. However, it's worth mentioning that while Marshmallow offers good coverage, there are cheaper options available if you're willing to accept a higher excess. And while legal cover isn't included as standard, it can be added for an additional £29.99, which might be worth it depending on your needs. So, there you have it, 5 of the best car insurance options in London for 2024. Each of these insurers offers something a little different, whether it's the latest telematics technology to help lower your premiums, or traditional coverage that's both comprehensive and affordable. Before we wrap up, here's a little secret tip. Always, and I mean always, compare quotes based on your specific driving profile. The right insurance for you depends on a range of factors, from your driving habits to the type of car you own. Don't just go with the cheapest option, make sure the policy fits your needs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to save money and get the best deals in the UK. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.